Alright, so here is lesson 9-4 and your book is 8-4 and this is title of graphing rational function. And so the meaning of rational function is function that made by the polynomials. So polynomial is in the denominator and numerator's location. And here we are going to look about the asymptotes. So there is the three types of asymptotes in this algebra 2. And so one of those is vertical asymptote, and second one is horizontal, and other one is oblique. Oblique asymptote is there, but we're gonna talk about the oblique asymptote after this vertical and horizontal. So first of all, let's talk about the vertical asymptotes. The x value that makes denominator 0 is vertical asymptote. So in here, the denominator is x plus 1, and the x value that makes denominator 0 is minus 1. So there is x equals to minus 1 in the vertical asymptote. Yeah, and second, let's talk about the horizontal asymptote. So there are three types of horizontal asymptotes in rational function. So first, if numerator's degree is bigger than the denominator's degree, then the horizontal asymptote doesn't exist. So like this, the numerator's degree, number 2, is bigger than the denominator's degree. So there is no horizontal asymptote in here. And second, if numerator's degree is bigger than the numerator's degree is smaller than the denominator's degree, then there is horizontal asymptote in y equals to 0.
Yeah, always.
Yeah, always. And here, the third one, if numerator's degree and denominator's degree are same, like this 1, 1, then we can find horizontal asymptote by dividing numerator's coefficient and denominator's coefficient. So here the coefficient in here is 1. So let's divide by 2 by 1. So it's 2. And there is horizontal asymptote in y equals 2. So these are the three types of horizontal asymptote, or the way to find horizontal asymptote in rational function. Yeah, so next session will wait. So we're gonna solve some problems. So let me just say that. And so here, number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2. This function, the numerator's degree is bigger than the denominator's, so there is no horizontal asymptote, and the
Vertical.
The vertical asymptote is the way to find the vertical asymptote is just make the x value that makes the denominator 0. So in this case, the vertical asymptote will be x equals to minus 2. Yeah. So that's all about the just asymptotes. And Sejong will explain about the oblique asymptote, which is the new one.